Hey everyone! Let me dive right into the heart of a gripping political tale from Zimbabwe, involving a major player, Christopher Mutsvangwa, a name that resonates with power within the ruling party Zanu-PF. Now, imagine being a key figure in a party, and yet feeling sidelined, almost betrayed. Mutsvangwa, a staunch supporter and spokesperson for Zanu-PF, and an ally to President Mnangagwa, has recently expressed dissatisfaction over the treatment he and his son have received from their own party. I'm talking about real political drama, folks. Mutsvangwa isn't just any politician. He's been at the forefront advocating for Zanu-PF's policies, emphasizing stability and economic growth over political dominance. Yet here he is, hinting at a turmoil within, revealing a personal struggle that mirrors a larger narrative of conflict and power struggles within Zanu-PF. But it's not just about personal grievances. His son's incarceration, by what he suggests are factions within his own party, adds a dark twist to the tale. It's like a scene from a political thriller, isn't it? This is about more than just political maneuvering. It's about the harsh realities of internal party conflicts that can often spill over, affecting personal lives and national politics. Mutsvangwa's disillusionment raises crucial questions about loyalty, justice, and the future direction of Zanu-PF. With the next elections looming in 2028 and no clear succession plans, the internal dynamics of the party could significantly influence Zimbabwe's political landscape. So, as political enthusiasts, this story isn't just a fleeting headline, it's a window into the complexities of political life in Zimbabwe, where power, betrayal, and familial ties intermingle closely with the nation's fate. Keep your eyes on this unfolding drama, because in politics, as in life, the story is never just black and white. That's it for today. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think lies ahead for Mutsvangwa and Zanu-PF? Until next time, stay informed and engaged.